Hey guys, it's Chris from Steeda, and today we're going to show you how to install an LTH Resonator Delete X pipe for your 2016 plus Shelby GT350 or GT350R. If you're looking to take your Shelby GT350's exhaust note to an entirely new level, this Resonator Delete from LTH will do exactly that. This Resonator Delete X pipe is made from 304 stainless steel. It's a direct fit replacement for your factory resonators, and it features a lifetime warranty from LTH. So we'll hop right in and show you how to install this Resonator Delete X pipe, and stay tuned because we'll show you some sound clips, stock versus how this Resonator Delete transforms the exhaust note on your GT350. Before we start, some of the tools you'll need for installation include a Sawzall with a metal cutting blade, safety glasses, a Sharpie, a flathead screwdriver, a socket wrench, 15mm socket, an impact gun, and a grinder with a cutting wheel. All right, so once you have your GT350 up in the air, whether it's a jack and jack stands or a lift, you want to grab your mid pipe. You make sure the step down portion is towards the front. It reuses the factory exhaust clamps right here for your head pipes, and you grab a buddy to help you hold it up. The portion of the mid pipe that steps out goes towards the passenger side. You grab your Sharpie, and you mark here. Allows enough penetration for the intermediate pipe to go far enough in on the mid pipe. Mark right here. You'll also want to make sure that you cut off the heat shield. Otherwise it will rattle since you're going to be slicing right through it right here. So what you want to do is loosen these two clamps here. There's 4 bolts, 15mm each. Take a screwdriver, make sure this comes out so you're able to slide the mid pipe off of the head pipes. So then what you'll want to do is take a hammer and tap the clamps back so the head pipes fall. The mid pipe and the rest of the exhaust system should stay up because it's held by the hangers in the rear. So next you'll want to grab your Sawzall, go ahead and measure twice, measure 3 times, and cut once. You have your buddy hold the pipe in place as you cut. So once you have the factory mid pipe off the car, you want to set it on the ground and take your factory clamps and transfer them over to the LTH mid pipe. So now that we have the 2 pipes next to each other, you can really see the weight difference between both and the fact you'll be cutting off these resonators, meaning you'll get more exhaust volume and tone out of your system. So next what you'll want to do is grab your cutting wheel and get these heat shields off. If you don't do this step, this stuff's going to rattle as you're driving down the road. So real quick before you grab your mid pipe and line things up, just make sure you grab a file tool and go ahead and clean up the edges, make them nice and smooth so things slide right on. Should slide right on the back. Make sure your clamps are slid back on the mid pipe. And things should slide right in. Make sure you line up the notch with the slot right here on the clamp so things slide right up. Then after that, you're ready to take your supplied clamps and tighten things down. And after you have everything lined up, you want to head to the back of the car and make sure the exhaust is centered in the valence. The best way to do that is grab a buddy to stand out back while you tighten up the clamps for the mid pipe. And after that, your installation is complete. At this point, you want to lower the vehicle, start it up, make sure there are no leaks, and you're good to go. So we went ahead and checked for leaks, we're good to go. So we're going to take this thing outside, do some sound clips for you comparing stock versus the X pipe. As you can see, great upgrade for this GT350. The exhaust tone, not only a little bit changed, but also the volume. Not as much noticeable in normal, but definitely noticeable in sport, whether it's cruising around or down the highway. It isn't overbearing, which is great. So if you're looking for an awesome upgrade for your GT350, this is it when it comes to exhaust. If you like the content of this video, go ahead and subscribe. Comment below, let us know what you think of the LTH Resonator Delete X-Pipe for the GT350. And don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.